Let's look at how to install a battery. Plus, I'll show you how to find its date code. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. To get started, mark the positive and negative cables. Disconnect the negative cable first, and be careful because both cables are still hot. Next, disconnect the positive cable. Remove the battery and clean out the tray. Make sure the cable ends are free of corrosion. You can remove corrosion with a baking soda or ammonia solution, or with fine grit sandpaper. Now, place the new battery in the tray. Connect the positive cable and then the negative cable, and apply a bit of cat dielectric grease if needed. Install the hold down so that the battery is secure, but make sure it's not too tight. It could damage the battery case. Your battery has a date code directly on it. This means you don't have to keep track of battery age yourself. The first number tells you which month the battery was charged. 1 for January, 2 for February, and so on. And the second number tells you the year. So you can see that this battery was factory charged in November 2021. For more information and support, contact your CAT dealer. And always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.